Hi Allscripts. This is the walkthrough video requested in the smokescreen document for our app PhotoGenie. We have created a device code for you called Allscripts, and you will be greeted with this device code entry screen as soon as you download the app onto the iPad or device. By entering in Allscripts and pressing submit, the app will sync up, or rather load the configuration for the sandbox that we've been using. More details on that are available in the smokescreen document, or you're welcome to reach out. We're happy to answer any of your questions. So tap submit with Allscripts in the device code box, and you're greeted with the login screen. The username for the sandbox that we've been working with is jmedici, and the password is password01. Tap login, and now you're greeted with the schedule page. You see your name, Allscripts cardiologist, up at the top left, and you see all of your appointments that are scheduled for that day with the patient name in the leftmost column. When you tap a patient, you're greeted with their patient information page, and with that you have the images loading for the date, for the single date that we have images for this patient, March 15th, today. And as these images load, you'll notice that these are images of a patient. They're synced up with their chart. We just use the Save Document Image photo to save each of these images. And if you tap an image, you're able to see it close up. Basic patient information is included, such as phone number, email, address, and last appointment. There's also a search page where you can search by name. We just use the TouchWorks API. It's all detailed in the smokescreen document, but I can look for a user called Demo Test, and his images will load as well. And they are pretty high quality, so it's good to have a good Wi-Fi connection, especially because we interface with the Allscripts API using base64 strings. Back to the schedule page, another feature that's worth noting is that by tapping in the top right on the date, you can change the date. So for example, if I were to go to March 1st, 2018, I see the appointments that were available for Allscripts cardiologist. You also see, though, that there's a little drop down at the top right indicating that there are multiple schedules available for multiple different providers. So if I tap that drop down menu or that select, I can see Medicine James, and I can select him and see his schedule instead of mine. And that is the basics of PhotoGenie. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. We've tried to lay out the calls that we make to the Allscripts API pretty clearly in the smokescreen document. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.